Hi, I'm Jennifer and I'm so excited you're here because today I'm going to be making some super easy, super quick and delicious beef enchiladas. I'm going to be using Cut Da Carb Flatbread. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'm going to get this enchilada sauce made up. I normally make it from scratch, but Allan's going to put this together from a packet because it's going to be a quick and easy, convenient recipe. We'll just whisk this up and the sauce will be ready in 5 minutes. 1.5 cups of water, the little packet, and 1 little small can, 8 ounces of tomato sauce. Now we'll just put 1/2 cup of enchilada sauce in with the ground beef. Mix it in and it'll be ready to go. We are going to be using these Cut Da Carb Flatbreads for our beef enchiladas. Allan has cut the flatbreads into some nice little squares and he's going to put some of this enchilada beef right on with some wonderful queso cheese. He'll get these rolled up and put right in the sprayed casserole dish. These are going to be absolutely delicious. We'll just lay them side by side in this sprayed casserole dish. I'll preheat the oven to 350. And now it's time to put the enchilada sauce on top of our Cut Da Carb enchiladas. Doesn't that look delicious? Of course we'll want to add some really good Mexican blend cheese. Who doesn't love cheesy enchiladas? And now into the preheated oven until the cheese is all melted and the dish is hot all the way through. Just look at those enchiladas with that melty cheese. You can make almost anything with these Cut Da Carb flatbreads. I'll sprinkle on some green onions from our garden. These beef enchilada Cut Da Carb flatbreads are wonderful enchiladas. I'm so happy that I gave these a try. I would be really happy if you click the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.